Hey everyone, welcome back to AppFix and Earn. My name is Daniel, and today I will show you step by step how to create and verify your Payoneer account in Nigeria for 2025. Before starting, prepare your email address, a government ID like a passport, and a bank statement. All information is accurate as of 2025, so always follow what you see in your verification center. Open your browser and go to payoneer.com. Click sign up. Choose individual account if you are a freelancer. Enter your full legal name exactly as shown on your ID. Fill in your contact information, address, and set a strong password. Next, verify your email and phone number. Click the link sent to your inbox. Then enter the OTP code sent to your phone. Log into your account. Go to Settings, then Verification Center. Payoneer will list the specific documents you must upload to get fully verified. Upload clear photos of your ID and proof of address. Take the photo in good lighting and make sure all corners are visible. Once verified, you can request USD, GBP, or EUR receiving accounts and start receiving money from Fiverr, Upwork, clients, and more. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to AppFix and Earn. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.